You think you know investing? Think again. The world of investing is riddled with advice that sounds good on paper but falls flat in the real world. Well, in this video, I am going to reveal the hidden facets of trading and investing that many overlook. What are the common missing points that all do but when they try to fix it but always fail? It's not just about picking stocks or assets, it's a deeper understanding of the market dynamics. But if I tell you that mastering the market is within your reach, would you take the chance to learn the secrets? Stay tuned as we dissect options, intraday, swing, and long-term investing to uncover the core strategies that will elevate your trading game. Options trading often seems like a high-stakes game reserved for the pros. But what if I told you that with the right strategies, even beginners could navigate this complex field successfully? Let's start by debunking a common misconception. Options are too risky for the average investor. In reality, when used correctly, options can be a powerful tool for managing risk and increasing flexibility. Imagine having the ability to limit your losses while keeping unlimited profit potentials. This is the essence of options trading. Moving on, let's talk about effective strategies. One key approach is the covered call, where you own a stock and sell calls to enhance income on your holdings. This strategy not only provides additional income but also offers a little cushion against potential stock price declines. Another strategy is the protective put, where buying puts allows you to insure your stocks against a major drop in price. Think of it as an insurance policy for your portfolio, where a small price paid up front can save you from significant losses. The benefits of these strategies are clear. They provide options traders with opportunities to profit in both up and down markets, enhance returns on existing stock positions, and protect against losses. It's all about using the tools available to create a more resilient investment approach. To wrap up, remember that education and practice are your best allies in mastering options trading. It's not just about the strategies, but understanding when and how to use them effectively. Intraday trading, or day trading as it's commonly known, involves buying and selling securities within the same trading day. Here's a misconception. Intraday trading is all about making quick money. While the potential for quick profits is there, the reality involves careful analysis and a disciplined approach. Effective strategies in day trading include the use of technical analysis to find short-term price trends. Tools like moving averages, RSI, and MACD can help identify potential entry and exit points. These tools aren't just numbers and lines on a chart, they are insights into market psychology and momentum. Risk management is crucial. Setting stop-loss orders and having a predefined risk-reward ratio can help preserve capital and take profits at the right time. Imagine never losing more than you're comfortable with, and always locking in profits as planned. The benefits of mastering intraday trading include the ability to capitalize on short-term market movements and the flexibility to not be tied to the long-term performance of a stock. Lastly, practice makes perfect. Simulated trading environments can help hone your skills without financial risk. Swing trading strikes a balance between intraday trading and long-term investments. It involves holding positions for several days to capitalize on expected upward or downward market shifts. The misconception here? That it's less risky than day trading. While it's true that swing traders aren't as exposed to minute-to-minute volatility, the risk of holding positions overnight or longer can introduce other types of risk. Effective swing trading strategies often involve a combination of technical and fundamental analysis. Identifying swing points in stock movements can be key. These are points where you can expect reversals or continuation of trends. Utilizing indicators like Fibonacci retracements or pivot points can aid in this identification process. Moreover, understanding market sentiment and economic indicators can add a layer of insight that purely technical analysis might miss. This holistic approach allows swing traders to make more informed decisions. The benefits of swing trading include the potential for significant profits from short-term swings without the constant monitoring required in day trading. To excel in swing trading, immerse yourself in market trends and trading volumes. It's about timing and insight, combined with the patience to wait for the right moment. Long-term investing is often seen as the safest and most passive form of investing. However, the misconception here is that it requires no active decision-making. On the contrary, long-term investing demands a strategic approach and a deep understanding of market fundamentals. Effective long-term investing strategies include diversification, not just across different stocks but also different asset classes. This helps mitigate risk and enhance potential returns over time. Another strategy is dollar cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount into a particular asset on a regular schedule regardless of the share price. This method reduces the impact of volatility and removes the stress of trying to time the market. Understanding the power of compounding interest is crucial. Reinvesting dividends into additional shares can accelerate portfolio growth significantly, turning small initial investments into substantial sums over time. The benefits of long-term investing are manifold. It offers a more stable and less stressful approach to growing wealth, and provides more time for your investments to recover from dips in the market. Remember, long-term investing is not about timing the market, but time in the market. Patience and consistency are key. Today, we've journeyed through the various landscapes of the stock market, from the rapid-paced world of options and day trading to the strategic realms of swing and long-term investing. Each style has its own set of strategies, misconceptions, and benefits, and mastering them can significantly enhance your financial toolkit. If you're ready to take your investing to the next level, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the financial markets. Your journey towards financial mastery is just beginning, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Remember, the best investment you can make is in your own education. So keep learning, keep growing, and let's master the market together.